installation, V3s, whatever you got, weave runs. You want to take off this thing. It just comes out just like that. And then you're gonna have two screws right here.
8mm.
8mm Phillips, whatever. And then you got an LMT. Well, you don't need that, my bad. That's for bumper. Got this, and then we're gonna remove this top liner. So it's got like, I don't know how many there are, but there are several of them. Just take them off. 11. And then we're gonna do that right now, and then go to the hard part with you guys. All right, so when the tail light's out, and you just unplug it.
It's a clip.
Oh, you got a clip there, right? Yeah, you got a clip.
The flat.
Yeah, we're saying bye-bye to the stock ones. What are they? Go ahead, look. Yeah, so goodbye staplers. We got these. What line you running? Alright, so you got these, right? So running the line from there. Alright, so you plug it in. Let me take off the liner. Yeah, there's a small clip there. Right there. It comes out. There you go. Just pull that wire out. Yeah, make sure the bottom is lined up too. And then this way you got the holes lined up. Then we put the screws back in. And that line is going to be out there for now. We'll show you where it goes. Alright, so the easy part you want to do is just changing the big tail lights first. And then the rest of it should be... The hard part is from here, the top. So I'm going to continue taking this off firm. And yeah, this is the easy part right here, just switching these out. That one's out too. And the other ones, these ones are going in. Alright, so liner's off. What are we taking off? The reverse light?
This stuff.
Taking off the reverse light. And disconnect the... Yeah, disconnect that everything from there. The light and the plug.
This bolt.
So this bolt is coming out.
This bolt right here.
That bolt.
And the one under right here.
Where?
Right here, this one right here somewhere.
Is that the black one?
This one.
Yeah, there's this bolt right here. And so same thing on this side. It's in the. There's two. So there's one on the outside. There's one on the inside. It's the one. It's the one right there inside. And then one here on this side and one right there. And then plug this thing. And then you take this off too. Oh, my bad. No, unplug that and take this off. Make sure you don't lose them. Yeah. I'll put them inside here so they don't fly anywhere. Yeah, put them here so you don't lose them. You can put these things right here. It's the inner one, right there.
Black one.
Is this one the outer or the inner?
This one and that one.
Alright, so it's both of them.
Easier.
Make it easy because the whole part is going to come out. The middle frame is going to come out. Yeah. The outer one. So do the same thing on this side as well. The outer one and then the inner one. There you go. Alright, so there's some clips here though.
Check if it's all unscrewed. Oh, yeah, clips.
There's clips, you gotta...
Yeah. Do you have pliers?
Oh, this pliers.
Pliers
Hold
are back.
on, I'll grab, yeah. And then there's clips right here.
That's the
Yeah, once I pull it out, I'll show you. There's a few clips. Alright, so these are the clips right there. Green. My bad. Those 2 green clips. There's one in the back, one right here. So these things will come right out once. I guess you kind of push them in from here with the plier, and then the rest of it comes out easily. Just pull out. Oh, there's 2 more bolts here. This bolt and that bolt.
There's one more clip, I think.
What? No, that's it. So,
Clips.
to be clear again, you have a bolt here, and a bolt inside, and then you have this bolt, and then you have that bolt right there. You unplug this stuff, and then there's these 2 bolts right here, and then there's these clips inside, which could be just pulled up.
There's a clip.
Yeah, the clips come
Another
out.
clip
Yeah,
right here.
I'll show you. So with the clips, you're just gonna push it in. Oh yeah, there you see it. See how one is out? Where is it? There it is. So you kind of push it inwards.
Yeah.
Now go down a little bit. Yeah. And then you push inwards and push up. There you go. Let's see the magic.
I think it works.
Ooh. Yeah, bring it down a little bit. Alright, there you go. It's out. Let me see what the light was holding. What was holding the light?
Clip.
We had the bolt, that bolt, the other 2 bolts, and the clip. There was just 1 clip on this one, yeah. And the other piece is holding. Is this piece that's holding the other 2 clips, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Slide right in. Just slide right in, yeah. And this piece.
No, I'm trying to match the clips, that's why.
Yeah, match the clip and just punch it in. It looks like it's matched.
No.
Alright, so match the clips and just punch it in. Not too hard, but just slightly. And the wire's hanging out. You got 1 long wire and 2, not 2. This thing.
This goes in here.
That's gonna connect to that. Alright, so all the wiring that comes with it is this 1 clip here, and you plug it in that, or you could disconnect it first. The long wire would come and plug into that, what we got earlier, the tail light, and
The stock one comes like that, look.
the stock one.
The stock
Alright,
one comes like this.
stock one is
You
like
take
that.
this part off. There's a clip right here.
So you take the stock one off,
Clip,
right?
squeeze this clip, you pull off.
Yeah, you gotta take that off.
And then you plug in that white part to the part that comes with
See,
the tail light.
this, yeah, just take it off. I'll show it to them. Answer the questions. Yeah, so this comes with it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
so
tail
this
light.
this comes with that tail light. So you
There's a
gotta
stock. You just plug
the
it in.
stock one comes off, and then that plugs in that module.
Yeah, because the LEDs are already
And
in
you
the
put this safe somewhere. Yeah, and we did test it, so we'll test it again for you guys. We'll do the other side, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so it works, guys. Just a test. It does work. They're on. Hit the brakes.
On brake.
All right, he's hitting the brakes already. And that's the reverse. Show the reverse. That's the reverse lights. It works. We're good to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. That's the signals right there. forgot to show you guys. And the right signal works. Yes. Double park?
Huh?
Double park? Yep. It's good. Yeah. Just turn on the lights though. Just turn the knob. Like that. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. I appreciate the support. Peace out.